Here's a recipe for boiled and steamed pork belly. I'm using 2 slabs of pork belly. This is to get a cleaner taste and to remove impurities and scum. Boil some water in a pan. Add spring onions and ginger and some salt. Put the pork belly, skin side down. After 2 to 3 minutes, turn the other side. Parboil for a total of 5 minutes. Turn off the heat and rinse pork belly with water. Then drain. These are the ingredients we need for boiling. Over low heat, heat up oil, then add in sugar. Stir to mix. Add around 6 cups of water. Turn up the heat and stir to dissolve the sugar. Once it comes to a boil, add in the rest of the ingredients. Boil the pork belly in the liquid mixture. Cover and simmer over medium heat for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove pork belly from pan and set aside to cool before slicing. You can also make this ahead of time and store in the fridge to steam the next day. The pork should still be firm, so that they will not fall apart when you slice them. Remove all the scraps from the liquid. Bring it to a gentle boil. Thicken sauce with potato or cornstarch slurry. Taste and adjust the seasoning. You can add a few drops of sesame oil. These have been refrigerated overnight. Even out the shape by removing the meat with bones. Slice meat depending on how thin or thick you want them to be. Arrange sliced meat on a lightly oiled steamer basket. Add the deboned meat in the center. Dab the pork slices with some sauce. Cover and steam over medium to high heat for 30 minutes or until tender. Spread some sauce on top of the steamed meat before serving. Thanks for watching.